Suzuki's first EV is gonna born with the help of Toyota. It may be even based on the forthcoming bZ3X. This calendar year Suzuki declared that they would be investing over $1 billion in the future of electronic vehicle manufacturing. Suzuki, which is not available in the US market, is currently producing several fuel-efficient cars but has yet to launch an electric vehicle. However, according to Drive reports, the brand is likely to launch an electric car in the near future. 1 second, before we start the video, kindly subscribe to this channel. That will motivate us to make more videos like this. Your support is very important for us. Only, you can help us to reach the next milestone. Now, let's get started. The Futuro E first appeared 2 years ago and offered us a glimpse into the company's future plans. The billion-dollar investment will have the company producing vehicles in its largest market, India, and, therefore, the first Suzuki EV will likely be priced at a reasonable price and built for people with limited funds. To reduce costs, there's a good possibility that Suzuki might join forces with Toyota, the company which shares many strategic alliances. For instance, Toyota sells rebadged Suzuki models in certain markets, and vice versa. In Europe, the buyers have the option to buy a Suzuki-branded RAV4 model dubbed the Across. If Suzuki's initial EV is designed to remain a good value for money and affordable, we're assuming it won't be built on the bigger bZ4X. For reference, the battery-powered Toyota costs $42,000, which is higher than the typical Suzuki product. It's therefore reasonable to think that Suzuki might make its electric car based on an earlier model called the bZ3X. It's being touted as a fully electric version of the CHR. There are rumors that suggest that the less compact Toyota EV will arrive by 2024. This theory makes sense, since the Futuro E has styling cues with the bZ3X, and seems to be similar in dimensions. The crossover design is popular among EV customers, who are continuing to steer clear of hatchbacks and sedans for the more nimble body style. It is hoped that this will allow Suzuki to pass the savings to the consumers who, for a variety of reasons, aren't able to afford electric vehicles. However, electric mobility isn't the only item on the Suzuki agenda. Similar to Toyota, the Japanese automaker has taken an approach that is measured and currently offers a variety in hybrid cars. The company is also teaming with other companies to investigate the viability of biofuels. If Suzuki discovers its footing in the realm of electric vehicles and develops its electric vehicle offerings, we will see new and exciting options. A battery-powered Jimny is a great idea, if it were to be made available for sale, and, similarly, an exclusive sports car that is based on Vision Gran Turismo. It is unclear what Suzuki is up to, but, in the end, this is the most logical thing to do. Toyota along with Suzuki have a very good collaboration which will allow Suzuki to get into a rapidly growing segment without having to incur huge development costs. What do you think about this? Let me know this by commenting below. I would love to see them. I can go through your comments and share my feedback. Thanks for watching this video completely. Kindly subscribe to this channel and hit the like button. Thanks again, have a great day.